In shaping their future, Accor must turn to these brands to lead the way with corporate social responsibility actions and ensure that other brands in the portfolio follow this example in whatever capacity they can. In particular, idea sharing between brands will be beneficial to everyone. Since the takeover by Accor, Fairmont Raffles Hotels International has a new issue to contend with. The company was founded in the United States of America and until the last decade was primarily involved with the North American market, having over 140 hotels and resorts in the region alone. Accor Hotels, however, was founded in France and has extended its reach throughout the world with over 4,000 hotels in its portfolio. The integration of Fairmont Raffles Hotels International means that the corporate culture of a North American company needs to be smoothly integrated into a European system. Accor is very experienced with the laws of other countries and cultures, and has exemplified in adhering to these in multiple countries around the world. However, Fairmont Raffles Hotels International draws a different work culture than that of Accor. Anthony Bendez illustrated how the culture surrounding employee benefits has differed since the takeover from Accor, with staff discounts on Fairmont Raffles Hotels International's properties playing a major part. In particular, a travel program for employees called Destinations that exists within Fairmont Raffles Hotels International does not exist or have any other equivalent within the Accor brands. Removing such a system or creating a new system integrating Accor hotels will be necessary for the future, as staff between all hotels will wish to be treated equally. If one brand has the perks and the others do not, this could potentially create a negative environment between hotel brands and affect the brand image as a whole. The hotel industry as a whole is a continuously growing industry. For brands to remain competitive, they need to diversify in order to capitalize on the mass tourism opportunities within the industry, instigated by the booming aviation industry. Just like any other industry, such as manufacturing or retail, hotels and resorts will go through a form of life cycle. This starts with the embryonic stage, when the hotel first opens, followed by growth, and as it grows and gains more competitions, it will finally enter maturity. Over time, interest in the hotel will decline, as will the hotel itself, unless this is assessed and dealt with correctly. For Accor and Fairmont Raffles Hotels International, this is done for each individual hotel. Hotels in different tourist areas will run through phases. As the needs and wants of tourists change, in order to keep up, hotels will need to continuously upgrade and change their offerings in order to continue attracting guests. The Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise makes a great example of this. In the 1960s, the hotel promoted itself as an icon for the Rocky Mountains, attracting high-paying guests that would come to spend multiple nights at the hotel in line with the definition of a resort. The hotel soon changed its image with the advent of mass tourism and started catering for shorter stay groups who came as a part of tour groups following mass tourism trends. Today, however, the resort is changing once more, as more people gain extra disposable income and they wish to stay longer term. The result, as Anthony Bendez points out, is to reduce the rooms, increase room sizes, and then change the dining concepts within the hotel to reflect the trend in open concept living areas, which was started by the Marriott Group. In addition, they plan to upgrade rooms and all facilities within the hotel to keep up with modern trends. By changing and evolving, the hotel can bring itself back to a new concept stage and grow further in the future. As for the Accor Group as a whole, each individual hotel should learn from this and 1. Build an overall regional brand image for each region. 2. Align each hotel and resort with a consistent trend they wish to pursue. 3rd, align other hotels of different tiers with similar trends in order to create a consistency throughout the entire Accor offering.
Create created using Powtoon.